So in this video, let's talk about webhook mapping. So in our previous video, we chose ActiveCampaign as our provider for our CRM. It would probably be the similar process if you choose MailChimp and other providers. You just have to locate the forms and then the integration where you can add the API key, which is this one, the webhook URL. The webhook URL. So let's go. Let's proceed to our ActiveCampaign. The first thing that you need to do in here, if you don't have a form yet, you need to create a form. Just go to site and then forms and then create a form. I'm gonna name this Zapalead subs. I'm gonna choose, of course you have to choose subscribe to a list, and then I have a list here already. If you don't have, you can, that's fine, but I have a list here, so I'm gonna choose this test list that I have. So then just click on create, and then it will lead you to a form builder in here. You can actually just drag what you need from this left hand side. I'm just gonna add in here the phone number. I'm also going to add let me see what else. Probably going to need lead city. That's basically it. And then you need to, after that, once you're happy with what you have here, you just have to click on integrate, and then you can, well, actually you need to copy the URL in here, or you can embed this to a whatever, your website, whatever, WordPress or Facebook. And then I'm just gonna open that there and just gonna leave that there for now, because we will be needing that later to do a test, because in here you need to run a test and make sure that you have one subscriber in your form, in your list, before we start mapping. So we're already done creating a form, and the next thing we need to do is to go back to, actually we need to save and exit, so just save and exit, very important. And then the next thing we need to do is to go to settings and then developer, and then in here you need to click on manage webhooks, and then you need to add a new webhook here. Just click on add. Standard, that's fine. List, you can, that's fine. Or in this case I'm just gonna choose the test one, and again I already have this list, so if you have multiple lists or if you don't have any, that's fine. You can actually read what a list is, so yeah, and you can actually find out where to create this. It's basically here. So I'm just gonna name this Zapalead not test subs, and then the URL, we need to copy this URL here, copy, and then just paste that there. I'm going to choose again, you can actually read in here what this is. I'm going to, because I have a list, I'm going to choose let me see, I'm going to choose contact tag added. Yeah, that's because I have a list. That's fine if you don't. But in here you need to actually you need to choose click that, and then this one, by a contact, and then just click on add, and then we already have, what's this, lead subs. Yeah, in here we have this over here. I think we have multiple ones in here, but yeah, that's how you set it up. But then again, if we go back to our forms, because it says here you need to make sure to ensure that you run a test and fires up webhook URL, which will be inside your CRM before we actually start mapping. So this is what it does. Actually, this is the use of this, that we saved this earlier, because if we go back to forms, we have 0 subscriber here, so we need at least 1 subscriber, and just to make sure that it's working, so I'm going to have to so I'm going to use my support at flymehi.com. That should go there, sorry. And then my name, actually it's already there. Lead CD, I'm just gonna choose open. So yeah, and then you can click on submit, and then of course you need to be able to access that email address that we just input, because we need to make sure that we are subscribed. We need to confirm, which is not working. What's going on here? I haven't really received anything, so I'm gonna do another test and use another email address. So yeah, this time I'm going to use my Yahoo, and just click on submit, and I should be able to receive that. I'm just gonna pause this. So I already received the confirmation, so I need to confirm that, and it would direct me to a thank you page, which is actually from your active campaign. So if we go back to the form, we used to have 0 here, but if you reload, we would have 1, actually 2 already. That's weird. I think I did already the other one as well. So we have 2 entries already. So now we are ready to start mapping. So just click on start mapping, and then send test data, and then in here you can choose whatever you want to display, actually premium fields. If you don't want to display them, it says remove unnecessary data. So if it's no, then it would be removed. So in here you just have to name them. I'm just gonna email if first name, and then last name, and then phone number. Oh, sorry. And then you would have conditional logic here. Basically, this is basically if you need a, like, say for example, a special field. If you want, I don't know, leads from a specific location, this is something that you need. Just basically choose the field, and then you have to input in here. This will be displayed in here. Just have to input which area. This is this field. This will be shown in your landing page or checkout page, by the way. So just make sure that you choose a good text in here, and then that's it. And then we can save map fields, and we are done with number 4. And then, yeah, for payment settings, I am going to create a different video for this, because this has something to do with your Stripe account. So yeah, see you on the next one. Thanks.